Here is a quick tip for anyone who is going to be assembling balusters like this to a top rail where you're going to be able to grab the baluster and spin it. So to prevent this from happening, all you will need to do will be to add another screw or a nail. So a lot of times people go and they put a screw or a nail right down the center, and that would look something like this. And of course you're going to be able to grab it and spin the baluster. And to fix that, all you need to do will be to add another screw or a nail. And I don't like to put them in the center. I like to have them off a little bit from the corners like this, and not like this one right here. This is one where we have a nail in the center, and then you add another nail or a screw. So even though this will work, I like to offset them a little bit. Go a little bit off from the corner at a diagonal like we have right here. And another thing I like to do is pre-drill the holes for my nails or my screws. This will often prevent the dry lumber from splitting. Now, I don't think you're going to need 3 nails or screws, but if you do, then feel free to put as many nails or screws in it as you want to prevent the balusters from turning. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.